This is gonna blow your mind. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you just handed over control, like all of it, to a computer, for a whole day I mean? I'm talking about letting artificial intelligence, or AI, make all your decisions. From what you eat for breakfast, to how you work, to when you go to bed. It sounds a bit like a science fiction movie, doesn't it? Maybe a slightly scary one, or perhaps an incredibly efficient one. Well, I'm a curious person, so I decided to try it. I let AI run my life for 24 hours. What could possibly go wrong? Or more optimistically, what amazing things might I discover? AI is kind of everywhere these days. It suggests songs I might like on my music app. It helps finish my sentences when I'm typing an email. It even tells me the fastest route to the grocery store, dodging traffic I didn't even know existed. It's already a part of my life in these small, helpful ways. So, I thought, why not take it a step further, a much bigger step? Let's see what happens if AI isn't just an assistant, but the director. My AI-controlled day began bright and early. Or rather, the AI decided it should be bright and early. The alarm it set was surprisingly gentle. A soft, gradually increasing melody, not the usual jarring buzz that makes me want to throw my phone across the room. That was a point in AI's favor already. I opened my eyes, and there it was. My schedule for the day, neatly displayed on my phone's screen. The AI had been busy while I was sleeping. It had crafted a minute-by-minute itinerary for my existence. It looked very official, very structured. 6 a.m. wake up and hydrate, 500 milliliters of water precisely. 6:15 a.m. guided meditation using an AI app it recommended. 6:30 a.m. light stretching exercises with links to video examples. 7 a.m. prepare and eat breakfast, recipe provided by the AI of course. 8 a.m. commence deep work block 1. The rest of the day was just as meticulously planned. 10 a.m. was scheduled for a short break, including a 15-minute walk outside. Fresh air, good call, AI. Then 10:15 a.m. deep work block 2. Lunch was at 12:30 p.m. sharp. At 1:30 p.m. the AI had scheduled a creative thinking task which sounded mysterious. First up on the AI's culinary agenda was breakfast. The AI, using the preferences I'd given it for healthy eating, selected oatmeal. Not just any oatmeal though, it specified rolled oats, with a precise measure of mixed berries and a sprinkle of almonds. It even provided a simple recipe, complete with calorie count and macronutrient breakdown. I usually grab a quick coffee and maybe a piece of toast if I'm feeling ambitious. So, this was a change. But I made it. And you know what? It was actually pretty good. Filling, tasty, and I felt virtuously healthy. Point 2 for the AI chef. Lunchtime rolled around, dictated by the AI's unwavering schedule. The choice? A vibrant quinoa salad. It came with instructions for roasting a medley of colorful vegetables, bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes, and adding chickpeas for protein. The AI had even cleverly prompted me during a morning break to do some of the veggie chopping in advance. Smart move, AI. Section 4, Productivity by Protocol, my AI work supervisor. The AI's schedule featured these things called deep work blocks. I'd heard of the concept dedicated time for focused work without distractions. The AI suggested I use the Pomodoro technique during these blocks. That means working for 25 minutes straight, then taking a 5-minute break. It even recommended an AI-powered productivity app. This app could block distracting websites, goodbye social media rabbit holes, and play focus-enhancing soundscapes. During that first deep work block, I was astonishingly productive. I plowed through tasks that usually take me much longer. It was like my brain had been given a superpower. Beyond just scheduling my work, I decided to use AI for some of the actual tasks. For instance, I had a few important emails to write. I fed the key points into an AI writing assistant. It helped me draft them, suggesting clearer phrasing and a more professional tone. Section 5. The Bot Camp Workout, Sweating to the Algorithm. As per the AI's meticulous schedule, 3 p.m. was exercise time. No excuses. The AI had selected a workout for me. After asking about my fitness level and available equipment, which was basically none, just my living room floor, it chose a 30-minute high-intensity interval training or HIIT routine. It even found a popular follow-along video on YouTube, led by an incredibly enthusiastic virtual trainer. I braced myself. HIIT workouts are known for being tough, short, but very, very intense. My usual exercise is a leisurely jog if I'm feeling motivated. This was going to be different. And different it was. The AI-chosen YouTube trainer was a bundle of boundless energy, almost too much energy if I'm honest. Section 6. Digital blessings and robotic burdens, the ups and downs. Looking back at the AI-controlled day, there were some very clear positives. The biggest pro? My productivity went through the roof. Seriously. That structured schedule, with its dedicated work blocks and minimized distractions, was like a magic wand for getting things done. I ticked off so many items from my to-do list. There was no time wasted wondering what to do next, or getting lost in the endless scroll of social media. For one day, I was a lean, mean, task-completing machine, and that felt pretty darn good, I have to admit. Another huge plus was the impact on my health. I ate significantly better than I usually do. The AI's meal plan was balanced, nutritious, and surprisingly tasty. I drank more water. I did a proper, challenging workout. The AI made all these healthy choices almost effortless because I didn't have to make them. Section 7, the final bite. Would I hand over the reins again? As 10 p.m. approached, the AI's schedule indicated bedtime. I was definitely tired. It had been an unusually structured and in many ways demanding day. I followed the AI-prescribed wind-down routine, which involved reading a physical book, an AI suggestion based on genres I liked, and strictly no screens for an hour before sleep. I have to say, I actually felt remarkably calm and ready for bed. This was a pleasant change from my usual habit of scrolling on my phone until my eyes drooped shut. The AI knew a thing or two about sleep hygiene. So, what's my overall verdict on this 24-hour experiment in algorithmic living? It was fascinating. Truly eye-opening. I learned a tremendous amount about the capabilities of AI, both its strengths and its current limitations, and perhaps more surprisingly, I learned a lot about myself. About my habits, my tendencies towards procrastination, and my actual capacity for focused work when distractions are removed. I saw firsthand how AI can be an incredibly powerful tool for boosting productivity and promoting healthier choices. It can automate decision-making in beneficial ways. That part was undeniably impressive. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to subscribe to NextGen Workflow for more videos like this.